Hello. Wow. wow, 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 wow. Like, wow. I'm shook. Okay then, sensational. Look, let me find out. I'm gonna need to start getting some human hair wigs from them, because that was like the easiest install. Okay, for one thing, this unit came out of the packaging plucked to the gods. It looks so good. They plucked it amazing. You will have to bleach the wig if you get it, or use something to like light up your knots, because the knots do come just black. I added just a tad bit of makeup right there in the front, but I mean literally that's it. And then I installed it. And the lace, can we also mention that, you guys, I did not put any lace tint spray on my lace. I went over it literally with like whatever residue was left on my makeup brush, and I just tapped over it, and that's it. There's nothing else added, and it's blending into my skin. It is giving scalpage. What? I'm shook. Sensational. I love this wig. Installation process, pretty easy, pretty simple. Take it out of the packaging, use my hot comb, use my edge pomade stick, use a little bit of the Got2b spray, just my little everyday tools to just get the unit stuck in place. And this wig is giving. And we also get all of the inches. We get the length, the 26. It's a must. Okay, so definitely check out this unit, you guys. Link will be in my description bar below. Thank you to Sensational for sending over today's unit. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, y'all.